Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Yakami France Company. If you're new here, this is Yakami France Company YouTube channel where we give you exclusive reviews about our products and the exclusive products which are on discount or on sale. Without wasting time, let us talk about our today's product. And this is PR Françoise Bedon Detox Unifying Lotion. There is something special with this product which we are going to dive in to see what is so special to this product than the other products which I've been talking about on this channel. If you are new, you can go through our playlist and see. There are a number of products I've been talking about. This product you're seeing, Detoxic, it contains some two major ingredients which are very, very necessary for the skin. They are two major, I don't know whether you can see it. There is what we call pomegranate and collagen. These two, you cannot find them in any other product apart from this Detoxic, pomegranate and collagen. So we are going to see the benefits. We are going to talk about these two ingredients which are in this lotion. Maybe they will give the overview to the benefits, or will explain the benefits of this lotion. We start with the pomegranate. Pomegranate, it's a plant, a very rare plant. Okay, it is red in color and it is being grown mostly Africa and some European countries. Pomegranate, this is what it does. These are the benefits of it when it comes to skin care. Pomegranate, it is rich in oxidant, meaning it has those vitamins which are needed by our skin to look good or to look nice. When I talk about oxidant, I mean food for the skin. You know our skin needs to look good, but to look good, it needs also food, and those are vitamins. In it, there is vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin E in this pomegranate plant, which is being extracted to make this lotion. Antioxidant helps our skin to be protected from free radicals, from pollution, and UV damages. That is the first benefit of this pomegranate, which is a major ingredient in this Detoxic lotion. Pomegranate. Another benefit of pomegranate in this lotion, it helps on promoting skin cell renewal, or you call skin cell regeneration. When I talk about skin cell regeneration, when someone's skin regeneration decreases, that's when someone becomes old. You develop those fine lines. You get black spots and they take a lot of time to go away or to fade away. So this product helps to promote that one again into your skin, so that your skin regeneration or skin renewal, it's on its normal rate where it is supposed to be. With this, you will see that your black spots, dark spots, they are fading or they are reducing slowly. So that's the second benefit of pomegranate plant extract, which is a major ingredient in this Detoxic Unifying Lotion. Another third benefit of this pomegranate, which is in this Detoxic Lotion, it contains anti-aging properties. When we say anti-aging properties, meaning it's all about collagen production in the skin. You see those people who are aging. Yes, they are aging because their collagen production into the skin has decreased. So with the help of this pomegranate plant extract, your skin collagen production will be boosted again. With this, you will see fine lines reducing slowly. You will see wrinkles reducing slowly. Okay, meaning there is anti-aging property in this lotion. The fourth benefit of pomegranate plant extract in this lotion, which is a major ingredient in this lotion, it helps to deeply hydrate the skin. It helps to deeply hydrate the skin, whereby pomegranate seeds helps in the moisturizing and also nourishing of the skin. And with this, your skin will become soft, your skin texture will improve. In my previous videos, I've been talking about texture. Some people have rough texture, not because they don't use cosmetics, but because their skin lacks moisture. So it nourishes and moisturizes the skin. Remember, we are this pomegranate ingredient which is in this lotion. Your skin will become soft, will be smooth, and your skin texture will improve. The fifth benefit of pomegranate extract in this detoxic lotion, it is new on the market. It helps to brighten skin complexion. In my last video about caviar, I talked about brightening. When we talk about brightening, there are also some benefits into it. And the first one is evening out the skin tone, fading, reducing scars and marks, and also promoting natural glow. Those ladies who want to glow, benefit falls under brightening. So whenever you find a product with the word brightening, don't mistakenly it to be whitening or lightening. How does this one does it? By reducing the dullness of the skin. Skin which doesn't use the needed ingredients, you see that skin will be dull, meaning it will lose its original color. If you were brown, you will go to chocolate. If you were chocolate, you go to black. That's what they call dullness. With the plant extract in this lotion, I found it so amazing. This pomegranate, it brightens the skin complexion. It has another benefit of pomegranate plant extract in this lotion. It has anti-inflammatory and soothing property in it. When we say about anti-inflammatory, this is all about irritation. People with sensitive skin, wherever you go to sun, your skin irritates, becomes red. Wherever you go to coldness, your skin irritates. Wherever you use some cosmetics product which is not recommended very well by a professional, your skin irritates. The seventh benefit of this pomegranate plant extract in this detoxic, it protects the skin from stronger sun UV rays, especially those people who work in harsh conditions with a lot of sun. Their skin becomes exposed. You can testify to those people who tend to cover and leave their faces exposed to sun. When they unveil, you see that this side is brown, and you see that the face is black or brown chocolate. What brings that? Because the body is exposed to bad sun UV, which are very strong for the skin to handle. So it has that one. It protects your skin from stronger UV rays, or you call sun rays. Another benefit, which marks the last one, it balances the oil in the skin. Some people tend to have a lot of oil, and some people tend to have less oil. What brings that one? People with a lot of oil, it means their skin pores are always open, so the oil production is always high. People with the less oil, meaning their skin pores, they are clogged or they are blocked by overusing some skincare product every day without cleansing, without doing what. So it brings an imbalance into the skin. This detoxic has that special ingredients, pomegranate, which I'm talking about today. It does the work to balance your skin oil into the skin. Meaning, when you keep on using this lotion, you see that your skin oil is balanced very, very well. That's all about pomegranate extract, plant extract, which is a major ingredient into this lotion. Detox Unifying Lotion. Let us see which skin type, which skin is supposed to use this, which skin type shall basically. If people with dry skin, people with sensitive skin, people with the can call pro-acne skin, pro-acne prone skin. Acne prone skin, it is brought by exposure to damage, especially if your skin is sensitive. Those people tend to have that skin, acne prone. So if you're dry, you're sensitive, you're oily, you're normal, you can use this lotion. Yes, Detox Unifying Lotion. The age, as usual, 20 and above. Meaning, since it contains anti-aging property, even a person of 50, 60 can use this. Since it has brightening complexion, skin complexion, people with 20, they can use this. It is new on market, and I found it so interesting that many people, maybe they didn't know about it. But I think I've given it all. Yeah, so in summary, the benefit of this lotion, the first benefit, it brightens the skin complexion, it contains anti-aging properties, it promotes skin cell renewal or skin cell regeneration, it promotes moisturization into the skin, or what you call deep moisturizing of the skin. Another benefit, it has anti-inflammatory and soothing property. People with the sensitive skin, it protects the skin from stronger UV sun rays, which damages the skin. There are so many, but that one. By using this, it reduces scars, marks, and also reduces dark spots, reduces black spots. All those benefits are in this lotion, Detoxic. I think it is worth to try. Yeah, to people who is looking for something new to try, it is worth Detoxic. And as I told you, it is new, not common. It is available in Yakami, France company shops across East Africa. Yeah, across East Africa. So that's all about this product, Pierre Françoise Bedon Unifying Lotion. Even if you have chocolate skin, even if you're black, even if you're brown, this lotion fits for your skin. Yeah, today there is no that people who is brown supposed to use this. No, every skin color can use this lotion for better results. That's all about today. But don't forget to subscribe, to press that notification bell so that you'll be receiving updates about our products, because this is not the last. Follow us on all social media platforms. Yakami France Company, YouTube, Yakami France Company, Facebook, Yakami France Company, Instagram, Yakami France Company, TikTok, and also you can visit our website www.yakami.fr. Yeah. Thank you for today. Stay tuned. Bye bye.